You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase from Latin, from science. If you want to learn more names from anatomy, medicine, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. English pronunciation is as stratum, or the Americans would say stratum, germinativum, or, because this is from Latin, in Latin it would be pronounced as stratum germinativum. Therefore, some may say it as stratum germinativum or germinativum as well. In English, however, it's usually pronounced stratum germinativum, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.